Oh no, welcome to Grandad's allotment. Well, as you can see, not much has changed. Not had a chance to get up here. I'm going to have to do something today about this. This is my gate and my fence. It's knackered. So that's my job for today. So, first thing to do, get the kettle on. Yeah, one of the other reasons I'm here today is to do a little bit for Dave's allotment sing song, so I'll be doing that shortly. So just a quick video to show you what I've done. This was snapped at the bottom. This one, my fence post is snapped at the bottom. So I've concreted a new post in there. Fill that back. You see, I'm going to put another post in there. Put a tie across the two once the concrete's set tomorrow. You can see how wet we are. That's about a foot deep and the water's rising already. And it was the same in the other one as well. So I'll just put you on the stand for a bit and let me see what I'm up to. So I'm just going to concrete this in. There's no water on top. There should be plenty of water on the ground for that concrete to go off, so then drink what's here. Very quick show around where we're here. Strawberries, they're all browning off. See if we've got any garlic. Nope, some garlic coming up. Can't see any on that one. So look over at the cabbages. These are the Savoy cabbages I got from the allotment show in Newcastle, and they've been battered already. In the fruit area, I don't know if you can see, but we've got buds. These strawberries are doing okay, a bit more sheltered. Nothing on the rhubarb yet. Nothing on that one. These are our apple trees. This is all coming down today, hopefully. Get a good tidy up. What's happening in the greenhouse? That's why grapes dying back. And actually, we've got new leaves on. Nothing on that one. Right, let's go for a cup of tea. So folks, just thought I would share with you what I'm doing today. Drinking tea on the allotment on the 27th of December in fairly good weather. I've had to take me thermal off, and I've had to take my hat off, so it's not too bad. There's no wind, there's quite a lot of water about, especially like below ground, but not as bad as what some people in the rest of the country is getting, especially Yorkshire and Cumbria, so I'm not doing too bad. As you can see, got a bit of wind damage to repair. I've just noticed the door on my greenhouse isn't shutting, so that's been banging in the wind, and that's all dropped, so I've got that to fix now as well. I've put a couple of posts in for the fence repair, and some temporary struts, so hopefully by the time the concrete's set tomorrow I'll be able to fix it up properly. I've got to repair my fence, but on the whole, not too bad for drinking tea on the 27th of December in England, in the northeast of England. Cheers. So it's about 3 o'clock now. It's just starting to get dark, so I'll just show you what I've done so far. So quick repair to my greenhouse door. It's all dropped at the bottom there, so I think I'm going to have to get a new one next year, but I've managed to fix it. I've got rid of my canes and my stuff. I put a new bit of lock on there. Now got rid of all my bean poles, my bean cage, and that's it there. They're gonna be the uprights in my greenhouse. Got a plan for them. So got this area to clear tomorrow. Show you what I've done with the gate posts. You can see I've got a bit of a fire going there with the old beam posts. So finished my fence. And as you can see there, bit of a repair to the lock as well, because not everything's straight now. So I'm just gonna lock up for the day. I've got a cup of tea standing, so I'll finish that. I'll just show you what I've got in the greenhouse. A cup of tea. So just in the greenhouse, as you can see, these are my overwintering peppers. Struggling a bit, not sure that's going to happen, but one good thing, my broad beans that I sowed in November, end of November, they're coming up canny, so that'll be my early broad beans. Kiwi fruit is still there. See, that's all. See what the winter does, because we haven't had that much cold yet. Now certainly I haven't got any heating on the greenhouse. And my 2 tomato plants, that one's looking alright. See what happens with them. So, oh, I don't know if you can see in here, but these were my squashes, and they're now well squashed. So I'll have to get rid of them. So I'm going to go and put the lid on my fire, because it's now flames. I'll be going home shortly.